Damn! Wait! Okay, mommy? Mommy? What, mommy? JIHYO Distant Lover. SHENSEEA? What's the, how do you pronounce the other artist? Is she in this too? Oh, okay. Who's this? Sexy Nana. Oh, that was she at the beginning too? Damn, okay, she fine. She fine. Was I her at the beginning? Oh, was her from the beginning? Bro, she Latina for real. She Latina for real. Bro, I didn't notice that. Oh, hold on. Let me go to the... Touch me, baby. I make it rise up. Come over and over again all night. Tighten the grip on you when you're inside. Running and floating the sea. But when you know my secrets and unleash them. Ooh. Take me under covers. Busy lover. Got me calling up on ya. Hey. Make them wonder, undiscovered. Busy lover. Got me calling up on ya. Hey. Boy, you got me emotional. Pull me deeper like the ocean. Taste like you got slow devotion. Every move's on you emotion. You got slow devotion. Damn! Wait! Okay, mommy? Mommy? What, mommy? Don't do that, chat. No. Listen, I mean, yes, but also, come on, y'all. Damn. Oh. Damn, she's still going. Oh, nice effect. Interesting. All these collabs. Oh, my bad. She's fine as hell. Both of them. She's serving for real. My God. Ooh. There's a lot of shots of JIHYO here. She fine. She fine as hell. It's like a mother nature. She noticed me and I feel blessed for life. No, for real, bruh. Lucky.
Wow. Wow.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.